How to get and use Groupon promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Groupon promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Groupon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. Just scroll and check. 10% coupon code, $50 coupon code, 75% coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the coupon code that you're going to use. Just click on it. You will get the code. Now you can copy it, then click on Visit Groupon. You will be directed to the official website of Groupon. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily get and use Groupon promo codes. Also, you can try out all offers. These offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Groupon. Well, that's the wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to get and use Groupon promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.